The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, Brown County in northeastern Kansas, East Central Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Rulo to 5 miles east of Centralia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hiawatha, Sabetha, Seneca, Centralia, Fairview, Morrill, Bern, Gulf, Vermilion, Reserve, Powhatan, Oneida, Hamlin, Baileyville, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Kansas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect